This is our 20-foot Survivalist, so it's 20-foot living space, 25-foot total length. It is the 96-inch interior width camp, and it's the Kensington maple, so it's more of a lighter blonde color. So this one does have the north-south bed, or the bed in the middle of the back wall. So it's got nightstands on both sides and closets above the nightstands, and then a shelf on the top. And it is the queen bed. It also has the reclining love seat. So this is a 58-inch, and it's got the removable cup holders. And then on the other side of that, we have got our dinette table. Now it's just a little bit smaller, so it can sleep a smaller person on there, but not a full-size adult. And then we do have our small wood stove, and it's got the propane 3-burner cooktop with the oven. And it's also got a 6.3 cubic fridge. It's just got the smaller bathroom, and it's got a big, deep single sink. And then a bank of drawers. So in the bathroom, it's just got the shower here, and instead of an accordion door, it's got kind of a pocket door that just slides and attaches really nice. Looks nice, easy to clean, and then it's got the RV toilet there. Just open that back up. This bathroom door is one we built it ourselves, so we can change the size if we need to. This one is just 2 feet wide. Does have the Bluetooth stereo, and it has got it's a 22-inch TV DVD player that's wired to where you could hook it to a satellite if you wanted. And it's got the fantastic fan, and it's wired for air, but the air's not been put in. It's got the Autumn Carnival countertop with the wood trim around it, and then it's got the black aluminum trim on all the corners. They do have the waste tanks, the heated waste tanks for late season use. They do have the RV furnace. It does have the lift-up bed. You've got a little bit of storage in there, and then the water system. And then we do have some louvers cut in to where if they are using just the wood stove, the heat can get into some of these areas better. And you'll see that in different parts of the camp. The dinette bench also has a little bit of the cut-in slits in it also. And the benches do have the storage in both of them. Here we have got the closet right at the front door that you can hang some things, and then also some storage underneath that. And then we do have the converter down below the closet in this one. We've got the area above the fridge for a microwave if they want to add one, or just put one in and remove it occasionally. The fridge does have the upper freezer with the lower fridge. And then we've got the wood box under the small wood stove. Here above the sink, we've got another cabinet for some storage. And then some decent cabinet space. Then we have the plumbing here under the sink. Valves for the outside shower, so that can be just turned off. And then we've got our bank of drawers that do have the child-proof locks to help them stay closed, but also the soft close. This one, the sink does extend a little bit to where the drawer is, so our guys have just notched it so we can still have the drawer, but still get that big sink in. Back in the nightstands, we do have some utilities under the nightstand, but we do have a nice drawer there that they can put some things in. Put some things there on the countertop, and then they've got some hanging storage here in the upper closet. They've got a nice deep shelf and some reading lights. So this is a nice, comfortable camp. It's got some darker accents with it. It's got some good room. A lot of storage in it. Has a nice sunny feel to it. Nice open feel. They've had one of our camps in the past. They had one of our herder camps that they used, and now they're trading that one in and getting this one, so they should be here tonight to stay overnight and pick up their new camp.